attention, son. This is for your own good.
Who's your favorite poet? Do you have a favorite poet or a favorite poem? I bet if I asked your favorite video game, you'd have one of those. But today's segment of Transit TV Teacher is devoted to poetry. So let's learn a little about that. The word poetry comes from the Greek word poiesis, meaning a forming or creating, as in a work of literary art. It's meant to be aesthetic, beautiful, and to evoke emotion and meaning. Poetry has a long history dating back to ancient Sumeria thousands of years ago, and the epic poem Gilgamesh, which was recorded and survived throughout the centuries. All cultures have some form of poetry. Poems can be about real events, observations, or personal emotions. They can also be dramatic, lyrical, religious, or prose, and they don't have to rhyme. Poems that don't rhyme are called free verse. One of my favorite poems is Charge of the Light Brigade by Alfred Lord Tennyson. It tells the story of a British Army cavalry charge by the Light Brigade of soldiers in the Battle of Balaclava in 1854 during the Crimean War. 600 or so soldiers rode horseback a suicide mission over the leagues or yards of open ground to attack the Russian battle lines, and got slaughtered. Here's a portion of that poem. Half a league, half a league, half a league onward. All in the valley of death rode the 600. Cannons to the right of them, cannons to the left of them, cannons in front of them, volleyed and thundered, stormed at with shot and shell. Boldly they rode, and well into the jaws of death, into the mouth of hell, rode the 600. Pretty dramatic, huh? All that war stuff, blood, cannons, yeesh. Better than a video game, and it actually happened. Do you have a favorite poem? Would you like to read it to your fellow Metro commuters right here on Transit TV? Email me at extracredit@transit-tv.com and tell me your favorite poem, and get ready to recite. I'm the Transit TV teacher, Justin Dior. And now it's time for Extra Credit. Email your answers to extracredit@transit-tv.com.